In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust page margins in LibreOffice Writer. Changing your page margins can be crucial for various documents, whether you're preparing a professional report, a personal letter, or simply customizing the layout to your taste. It's not only about aesthetics, but also ensuring your content fits neatly on the page. So, let's dive right into the process. First, let's open LibreOffice Writer. To do this, find the LibreOffice icon on your desktop and double-click it. This action will bring up the main LibreOffice menu. Here, you have the option to either create a new document or open an existing one. For the purpose of this demonstration, you might find it easier to select Writer Document to open a fresh, clear document interface. However, if you are working on an ongoing project, feel free to open that file directly. With your document open, the next step is to access the page style settings. This is where all the magic happens concerning page configuration. Guide your mouse to the top menu bar and click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Page Style. This option is your gateway to customizing your document's pagination, including margins, size, and orientation. Once the Page Style dialog box pops up, you'll want to direct your attention to the Page tab within this box. The Page tab is one of several tabs available, but it's the one where we'll focus, as it includes all the settings related to changing your page margins. Now, let's talk about adjusting those margins. In the Page tab, you'll see fields labeled Left, Right, Top, and Bottom under the Margins section. These 4 fields correspond to the sides of your page. If you desire to set specific margins, this is where you'll type in your preferred measurements. For instance, typing in 2 mm or 1 inch will set the margins to those specific sizes. Feel free to adjust these fields to suit your document's needs, whether you're adhering to a specific formatting requirement or just customizing it to your liking. Finally, after entering your desired margin sizes, it's time to apply these changes. Look for the OK button, which should be prominently displayed in the dialog box. Clicking OK will instantly update your document with the new margin settings you've specified. You should be able to see your content adjust to fit within the new boundaries you've set, giving your document the polished and organized appearance you're aiming for. And there you have it. Adjusting page margins in LibreOffice Writer is a straightforward process that enhances the overall look and functionality of your documents. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.